What's happening, Hardscapers? We've got a problem on this pond job. You can notice over here, water level's down about 4 to 5 inches over the weekend. So we got a leak that we need to figure out where it is. And I'm gonna bring you along and show you how I find it maybe. You can definitely notice that this has really gone down. I've actually started to fill it up already, but you can notice over there, it's gone down a good 3, 4, 5 inches. Now we're filling back up. So immediately I dug down here just to make sure that the plumbing coming into the waterfall here, that's not where it was leaking. I then checked out the plug to make sure there's no water coming out. So you can see the plug down there, make sure that wasn't leaking. And then I worked my way around here to again make sure that nothing was wrong with this plumbing here. No leaks there. So I would assume that the leak must be coming from the waterfall area. Now I think I found it. It was in one of these folds down here. It was actually bent over, and right where you see these rocks, if you can see them, the rocks down there is actually soil right after that. And one of these folds had water very slowly pouring in down here. So I guess over 2 days, all that water in the pond to 5 or so inches had leaked out. This is the area that the client said it was a bit soggy, so makes sense. Water following the path of least resistance into this area. And obviously the drainage stone and pipe and behind here is working, because if that's where the leak was coming, it must have come down, hit that drainage pipe, and worked its way out this way, because this would be the soggy spot out of all of it. So at least we know something's working. It seems to be coming up in terms of the water level. Took some pictures of the rocks where the water level is. We'll see what happens. So I thought the last video was going to be the final vlog on this project, but I thought it was important to talk about a mistake I made with that pond in finding the leak and making sure everything was good, as well as the final touch-ups of this job to make sure that we're closing it out well for our clients, making sure it looks nice. You know, with the rain, it could have just washed away all of the mud that we tracked onto the patio, onto their driveway, onto their patio downstairs. But ultimately, we want to make sure that we're doing what's right for the client, cleaning up everything and leaving it for them in perfect conditions so that they can enjoy it with no mud, no nothing anywhere. Perfect day to do it with the rain, pressure washing if it's gonna rain, whatever, as well as just cleaning up around the job site and getting all of our plywood out of there, getting all of our tools that we may have left behind out of there, into our truck and on to the next job. Thank you so much for following along to this Y project vlog. Be sure to check it out on our playlist if you've missed any of the episodes, as well as make sure to subscribe to our channel here. We're growing and we love everybody that comments below what they think, any questions that you have, any comments, suggestions, whatever it may be. We're growing our hardscaping business here, so thank you for following along and we'll see you next time.